Let's take a look at training and development processes. Let's explore a model of the strategic training and development process with examples of strategic initiatives, training activities, and metrics. This model shows that the process begins with identifying the business strategy. Next, strategic training and development initiatives that support the strategy are chosen. Translating these strategic training and development initiatives into concrete training and development activities is the next step of the process. The final step involves identifying measures or metrics. These metrics are used to determine whether training has helped contribute to goals related to business strategy. 5 major components are part of developing a new business strategy or changing an existing one. The first component is the company's mission, which is a statement of the company's reason for existing. Company missions vary, but they typically include information on the customer served, why the company exists, what the company does, the value received by customers, and the technology used. The mission statement is often accompanied by a statement of the company's vision or values. The vision is a picture of the future the company wants to achieve, while the values are what the company stands for. The second component is company goals, which are what the company hopes to achieve in the midterm to long term. They reflect how the mission can be carried out. Training can contribute to a number of different business goals. Both for-profit and not-for-profit companies often include goals related to satisfying stakeholders. The term stakeholders refers to shareholders, if the company is publicly traded and for-profit, the community, customers, employees, and all other parties that have an interest in seeing that the company succeeds. A third and fourth component, external and internal analysis, are combined to form what's called a SWOT analysis. A SWOT analysis consists of an internal analysis of strengths and weaknesses and an external analysis of opportunities and threats to the company that currently exist or are anticipated. External analysis involves examining the operating environment to identify opportunities and threats. Internal analysis attempts to identify the company's strengths and weaknesses. The strategic choice, represented by SWOT analysis, is believed to be the best alternative to achieve the company's goals. Strategic training and development initiatives are learning-related actions that a company should take to help achieve its business strategy. The strategic training and development initiatives vary by company depending on a company's industry, goods, goals, resources, and capabilities. The initiatives are based on the business environment and an understanding of the company's goals and resources, and insight regarding potential training and development options. They provide the company with a roadmap to guide specific training and development initiatives. There's a tendency to have a disconnect between the strategy and the execution of strategy. To avoid this, learning professionals need to reach out to managers to ensure that the strategic training initiatives and training activities are aligned with business strategy and that necessary financial resources and support are provided to carry out training activities. To contribute to a company's business strategy, it's important that the training function understand and support it and provide value to its customers. Training plans include both technical and interpersonal skills required for each group and how those skills will be developed. To ensure that training plans help meet business needs, they are updated on a quarterly basis, and monthly meetings are held to include both training staff and business leaders who review training needs to discuss future business plans. The training staff focuses on identifying the 3 to 5 initiatives that are most important to support business strategy. After a company chooses its strategic training and development initiatives related to its business strategy, it then identifies specific training and development activities that will enable these initiatives to be achieved. How does a company determine whether training and development activities actually contribute to the business strategy and goals? This determination involves identifying and collecting metrics, business-level outcomes chosen to measure the overall value of training and learning initiatives. The business-related outcomes should be directly linked to the business strategy and goals. Some companies use the balanced scorecard as a process to evaluate all aspects of the business. The balanced scorecard is a means of performance measurement that provides managers with a chance to look at overall company performance or the performance of departments or functions, such as training, from the perspective of internal and external customers, employees, and shareholders. The balanced scorecard consists of 4 different perspectives: customer, internal, innovation and learning, and financial. The emphasis and type of indicators used to measure each of these perspectives are based on the company's business strategy and goals. The 4 perspectives and examples of metrics used to measure them include customer, like time, quality, performance, service, and cost; internal, processes that influence customer satisfaction; innovation and learning; operating efficiency, employee satisfaction, continuous improvement, and so on; and finally, financial, including profitability, growth, and shareholder value. Metrics that might be used to assess training's contribution to the balanced scorecard include employees trained, training cost, and training cost per hour.